Cloud is a software as a service solution. That doesn't mean you need to just roll it out, ignore it completely, and not monitor anything ever again. So with that, there are two built-in tools for site administrators, one of which is the admin views, and the other one is the admin insights. So with admin views, those provide information associated with the back end of Tableau Cloud, such as bridge-related traffic, extract tasks, including failures, other background tasks, such as non-extract refreshes, licensing usage, and also data quality warning history. On the other hand, Admin Insights is a customizable dashboard providing information more commonly associated with the front end of Tableau Cloud. There are many possible use cases for insights, but the starter dashboard provides a nice spread for you to get acclimated and explore your own implementation. Admin Insights comes with specific views around user and group drill downs, login activity, traffic and adoption, publish event history, sale content tracking, and space usage. So, how do you utilize the built-in site monitoring resources in Tableau Cloud in a mission-critical deployment? And this will vary a lot depending on your organization, but I think that there are a couple of questions that you should ask yourselves no matter what, whether you're a large organization, small organization, all across the board. And that is the monitoring paradigm and the requirements well documented? Who is responsible for your monitoring? Are automations being utilized? Are they in play to assist with your monitoring? And who are the stakeholders that need to be notified when specific issues arise? And then outside of the site monitoring resources, there are additional performance considerations to be made if Tableau Bridge is being utilized as well. The resources provisioned for Tableau Bridge deployments should exceed concurrency requirements for your extract schedule. What does this mean? In simpler terms, make sure that you have enough computing resources and storage space assigned to Tableau Bridge to meet all of your needs. Also understand that your needs are going to change over time. So while what was originally allocated for your Tableau Bridge deployment might have previously sufficed, know that these needs may grow with your user base, data sources, and total Bridge rollout. You should be sure to implement pooling in your Tableau Bridge deployment. Pooling simply refers to Tableau Bridge instances that have been configured to work together to load balance extract schedules, similar conceptually to an active-active deployment. The golden rule for pooling for Tableau Bridge is the N+1 redundancy, especially if your extracts support mission-critical dashboards and views. N+1 refers to the number of Bridge instances that you need to support your extract concurrency in your Bridge configuration. So for each of those instances you require, N, you should have at least one more instance of Bridge than that, +1. There are several more specific pooling considerations in your site if your site has Bridge-supported data sources that aren't all locally located in proximity to each other. Remember that Bridge is essentially a proxy, so things like network throughput, latency, etc. can make a big difference in your outcomes. Advanced configurations involving multiple pools, whitelists, and so on may come into play for different organizations. And then all of this needs to be monitored in real time, so you need to be asking yourself the same questions. Who is monitoring your Bridge instances? What metrics and other criteria are encompassed in the monitoring scheme? What technologies are used to monitor? And what happens when the monitoring solution generates an alert? Who sees it? How? And when? What are their responsibilities? And do they have access to the Bridge instances in the event that hands-on work is required to remediate? Or do they need to go escalate the problem to someone else? And in which case, to whom?